Good. Bay, itodo mo na. Lagyan mo ng mga pusa. Pusa, hayop, any hayop. Good! Yes, sir! Let's go! Okay, I think it helps. Let's go! Hello, guys! So, welcome sa ating bagong video. So, ay, gaga ka. Basta 100k. So, Infective Wild. Simulan natin kaagad ng high roll, mga besi. Bagong game to sa Pragmatic. So, maganda din siya because it's Halloween today. As of recording. Bagay na bagay. So, tingnan natin. Uy, kailangan ko ng pumpkin, Bessie Waps. Okay lang kung ayaw mo akong bigyan. Promise, okay lang talaga. Nasa dulo pa. Hey. Sana nag-i-infect siya until there. Okay. So, we hit the queens. Nice. And this one. Let's go! Nice! Isang pumpkin lang yun. Chumamba pa tayo. Let's go! At least naman, nabawi yung half. Grabe naman sa nandito sa right. Dapat nasa left side eh. If we want to win, yung left side yung kailangan natin malagyan ng wilds. It's still early. Marami pa tayong pagdaraanan. It's okay. 3-3-3. Okay. It's okay. Pumpkin, Bessie Waps. Uy, asa ang pumpkin? Uy! Wow! Gago sa dead spin lahat. Solid yun ah. Tinatawanan pa ako. Tinawanan pa ako. Pangit ka. It's okay. I feel like we could come back naman. Medyo malaki naman yung punan natin. So, 3. Nice! I have 2 trees. Ay, sorry. As much as possible, I need a pumpkin. Pumpkin! Okay. Benzi naman eh. Good! Good setup. Sharog di madaog. Pag hindi manalo, dinaya. Please, please, please. I need the first reel. Good! Bay, itodo mo na. Lagyan mo ng mga pusa. Pusa, hayop, any hayop. Good! Yes, sir! Ikaw na bahala, Bes. Tatanggapin ko mga kahit magkano. Yes! Please, hayop. Let's go! Bes, hayop. RIP. Way hayop. Bes, I need the hayop. Hayop. Yawa, walay hayop. Okay. I think it helps. Nice. Please, come on. Give me crows, anything. Hayop. Let's go! Nice setup. Parang ayoko na. Nanalo lang isang beses. Meron pa yan. Meron pa yan. Please, 3. Ibigay mo na. Ayun na, inaabot si ate girl. Dapat tiniskartehan ko muna ng low bet. Sige na, pumpkin. Pumpkin. Oh! Please now, animals. Ay, animal. Animal! Hindi pa nag-connect sa dulo, sayang yung wilds. Ay, hindi, connected pala sila. Okay, whatever. Still lose. Umisa ka pa, please. Pangita sa spins, eh. Nanalo na daw ako, gagi. Best pumpkin pa, best. Please. Pumpkin. Wala. Yatay, GG. Okay? Wala, may connection ba yan? Yun na, natalo si Madam. Okay. Much better than the last two buys. Pero I need the pumpkin. Pumpkin Bessie. Gulatin mo ako. GG. Okay, nice. It will spread hanggang dulo. Oh, may ganyan lang kanina. Good. Nice. Please. Come on, give me something. Okay. Charo, opat kabay, walay daog. Karon madaog na ni guys. Uy, na-kick out pa si ate girl. Time first daw muna, masyado daw akong giyang na giyang maglaro. Please, Halloween today o baka naman. Baka lang gusto mo. Yes, I have three spins. Good shit. La 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 la. Please, pumpkin. Oh. Best, kailangan ko ng pumpkin on the first, second, and... Hindi to tama, Bessie. Hindi tama yung ginagawa mo. Bakit ka nasa right side? Go left. Ay, nako. Lipay pa kayong buang. Fucking stupid pumpkin. Napildi pa nung unang buang. It's okay. We can still get much better than 88. I'm feeling positive. See? See? Eto na yon. Eto na talaga yon. Eto na talaga yon. Bessie Pumpkin. I think this buy is the buy. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Bessie, magpakita kayo. May magtago. Eto na yun eh. Pumpkin. Yawan, sobrang isa. Awesome. Uy, tagakip ako, bes. Nice, okay. Diyan ka lang, stay put. Putang gala. Asa naman, oy. Yun. Dito, sa Fort Reel. Sige na. Awa, mani, oy. Wala. Wala, bes. Wala ba tayo dyan? Galit-galit muna. Ang dami kong spin, but there's... Pero walang connection kasi. Kahit dito lang o sa... Yawa, 4K lang yun. Hindi ko matatanggap. Bawi lang ako. Ang ganda ng spin ko. Or talo pa nga ata ako eh. What the fuck? 16 spins. First spins with 2 wilds. Still lose. Yawa, kinikick out pa. Three. Shit, natalo nga ako sa 16 spins. Ito pa ang 10 spins. Hello? AJ nyo nang gigil. Wow, don't tell me hindi ako bibigyan ng pumpkin na to. Kanina walang binigay ni isa. Irita ako sa tawa. Talo na kasi. Ganyan talaga, irritable. Dapat umalis na talaga ako eh. Hit and run lang dapat eh, KJ. Ako tuloy yung na-hit and run. Hindi, all in na. Ganun din naman.
Jack-o'-lanterns light the way.
I think it's much better. But at least I need the pumpkin. Grabe naman sa Despina, kuya. Ano, wala tayong tama? Please tell me it's something good. Kahit papano. Come on. Thank you. At least meron tayong pa-konsuelo. Dapat din ako nag-speed.
Jack-o'-lanterns light the way.
Oh. Dito, be, sa third grill. Okay, nice. Maganda pag nakalinya silang ganun eh. Sa gitna. Okay, good. I think it's still good, yung setup. Yun. Please, alaga, alaga, alaga. Oh my god, the setup is so nice. Kailangan na lang ng hayop, kahit hayop lang dito. Ilabas nyo yung mga crow, please. Nice one. That's it. Isa pa dito. Shit, hindi pa tumama. Okay. Not the best, pero it's a good win.
Jack-o'-lanterns light the way.
So baka naman. Okay. Please. Please, please, please. Good. Now, the crows and the cats and anything. Good. Please. Yung mga hayop natin dyan, ilabas na. Naku. Ayaw lumabas. Yun! Full screen king, oh. Nice! Nice! Throws. Let's go. Nice. Isa pa. Pabawi na, pabawi.
Jack-o'-lanterns light the way.
3. Okay. Please. Pumpkin ng maaga-aga, be. Nang masaya tayong lahat. Good. Pumpkin. Bakit ayaw mo? Ang bilis ng karma. Eh, kasi manalo ka 10k lang, tapos talo ka 30k. I don't want to expect, pero please. Nice! Come on, give me here. Please. Shit, nice. That's a full line of the paso. Nice. Let's go. Please, full line of paso. Come on. Please, wild here. Uy, Kingso. Nice. Kailangan talaga dito, bay. Let's go. Dito. RIP. JJ. Ooh. Please. Ooh, that's Kings. Again. Bessie, kailangan natin dito ng wilds. Sayang yung wilds na nandito kung wala dito. Naku, napakalayo. How about animal? Wala, ganun talaga. Okay, still nice win. Onti na lang. Last buy na yata ako. Kahit hindi na makabawi, okay lang. Iniisip ko na lang, wala talaga. Nalubat na pala din yung camera ko. Ha? Sige, last buy. Win or lose. Lalayas na ako. Feeling ko di na to magbibigay eh. Oh! Maybe I'm wrong. Kasi mukhang positive tong... mukhang positive naman so far ang mukhang ano natin. Pumpkin. Nice one. Shit, kailangan na lang dito sa Real 4 ata. Oh my goodness. Makakabawi na ako. Bessie Wops, I need the crows and the cats and everything. Yeah. One more here sa gitna. Good. Please tell me it's good. Yes. Even if it's 10. Nice. Yeah! Ayoko na. I think that's it. Kahit negative ako, maghanap na lang ako ng ibang games to play. So, I'll see you on 2 other videos, guys. Hop! Bye-bye! Uy, one.